Hi friends! Welcome back to Quizzee Quiz. In today's video, we will guess Brainrot Animals meme, but they all normal. So guys, put likes, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell if you are not afraid to test your strength right here and now. Let's go! The first question, do you know this character? Any idea?
Udin din 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 dun, madin din din dun, merupakan...
Let's go! Who's this character? I would say it's very difficult, but it's very easy.
Tung Tung Sahur!
I have a challenge for you. Only 1% of viewers will be able to complete it. Rules: skip this video, quit in the middle, set it to fast speed equals lose. Are you ready? Recognize this character? The seconds are ticking. Hurry up and make your decision.
Shimpanzini Bananini! Wah!
Try guessing this one? Do you know it?
Bombardiro Crocodilo.
Great. Next challenge. What do you think about this character?
Garamararam mararaman dan madu dung tak.
How about this one? Come on, it's complicated. But this?
Burbaloni Luliloli. Capibarello Cocosini.
What this character? This is my favorite. If you guessed correctly, subscribe and like this video.
Ta. Sahur. Ada
Would you rather?
Ta. Sahur. Ada Tung Tung Sahur.
You have 5 seconds to write the answer in a comment. Oh, let me know who characters is this? You only have a moment to respond.
Ballerina Cappuccina. Mi.
Next stop. What do you think about this?
Tripi Tropi. Troppa trippa. Tre topi trotterellano.
Next question, guess this one. Just a few seconds to make the right choice.
Spaghetti Tualletti. Tualetto spaghetto.
Can you guess it? If you like this meme, then like this video.
Cappuccino Assassino!
Next round. What about this one? This is popular meme.
Trallalero tralala, porco Dio e porco Allah.
Can you guess this meme? The seconds are ticking. Hurry up and make your decision.
La vacca Saturno Saturnita. De frente tu sei tanto bonita.
This is a bonus challenge. Subscribe to Quizzee Quiz and write in the comments your favorite game. What meme is this? You only have a moment to respond.
Blueberrini. Octopusini. Bloop oct.
Do you know this meme? Just a few seconds to make the right choice.
Bicus dicus.
Guess the meme? Your seconds are starting to tick.
Trulimero, Trulicina. Il pretiletin in piscina.
Do you recognize this meme? Hurry up, time is running out.
Lirili, Larila. Elefante nel deserto che cammina qua e là.
Guess the brain rot animal? You must do it in seconds.
Boneka Ambalabu. Entitas jahat yang banyak meresah.
One more bonus challenge for you. Write in the comments under the video the city you live in. You have 5 seconds to write the answer in a comment. Do you know this brain rot? Only few seconds to give your answer.
Patapim, il mio cappello è pieno di slim. Nel bosco fitto e misterioso.
Name the brain rot animal? Decide quickly, time is running out.
Ballerino Lololo. Ballerino Lololo, frappe.
What do you think it is? You only have a couple seconds to guess.
Bananita, Dolphinita, frul.
What is your answer? Few seconds to think. Ready?
Glorbo, frutto drillo.
Do you know this character? The clock is ticking. Make it in few seconds.
Bombombini, Gusini. Fratello Bombardiro, Crocodilo.
Next challenge. Choose your gift and write your answer in the comments. Don't hesitate, your time is limited. If you choose first gift, you have to leave a like on this video. If you chose second gift, then subscribe and press the bell. If you chose the third gift, write a comment. Can you guess this meme? The seconds are ticking. Hurry up and make your decision.
Bobrito Bandito? El Bobrito Gangsterito!
What meme is this? You only have a moment to respond.
Zebra Zubra. Zebralini. Zib Zib Zebra.
Do you know this meme? Just a few seconds to make the right choice.
Frigo camelo, buffo fardello, nel centro della città.
Guess the meme? Your seconds are starting to tick.
Spioniro, Golubiro. Jebeni golub kojeg šalje.
I have last challenge for you. Only 3% of viewers will have time to subscribe to the channel and click on the next video before time runs out.